It's a late night in September 2012. Wow, I wish you could see this, but it's so dark outside. So you can't see it, but maybe you can hear the sound of these birds just flocking, swarming, chirping, going absolutely nuts. There must be thousands of birds out here. It's like there's wind in the trees and there's not even wind. They're just like flocking and swarming around. Whew. I mean, can you hear how many wings that is flapping? Not just the chirping, but the flapping of the wings that it's making so much racket out here. Hello, birds!